This shower head has been around for about 16 years. There is nothing wrong with the shower head. The only thing that you can notice is there are a brownish color around the shower head, and this is a limestone stain. I haven't cleaned the shower head for 16 years, my bad. I only clean around the area, but not really the shower head where the water was coming. In this video, I'll try to do a quick hack to clean the shower head, so removing the limestone stain from the shower head. Let's get into it. And the main ingredient that I'm going to use is white vinegar only, or maybe I'll mix it with a baking soda. And I'll put the rubber band just to hold. Maybe one extra rubber band. So the shower head is fully submerged with the vinegar. I'm going to leave this for half an hour and we'll come back and see what the result looks like. Okay, this is what the final result looks like after 1 hour. I can still see the limestone stain. Doesn't really help with white vinegar. Okay, another experience. I'm going to use the mold removal. See what it's actually giving me a better result than white vinegar. Half an hour has passed and I can see it looks promising than the white vinegar. I can see the limestone stain is disappearing within half an hour. So I'm gonna leave this for another half an hour and then I'm gonna wipe everything off or wash it. 1 hour has passed. I'm going to rinse the shower head with water. Turning it off, and I am going to rinse the shower head with water. This is the final result. I'm quite happy with this. About 80% of the limestone stain has disappeared, although I can see a little bit here and a little bit down there, but overall the white vinegar didn't work, so I used the mold and soap scrum removal for just half an hour, I think around between half an hour to 1 hour, and I'm happy with the result. So if you find this video useful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.